Today, the NSUI Manipur State stands in solidarity with our sister Momita from RG Tar Medical College, who is pursuing a postgraduate as a medical profession in such a renowned college and profession. She was brutally murdered, raped and killed on the fateful night of 9th August 2024 while she was on her duty. Today, the NSUI wants to question the government. Where is the safety of the women? Where is the safety of the students? Are we not even safe in our homes? Are we not even safe in our workplace? Moreover, when the students, when the medical students, when the medical association, they come to protest, demanding justice, they were brutally harassed. They were brutally assaulted by the police. Is this the law and order situation in such a democratic country of India? And moreover, the evidence of the case and hospital, the materials in the hospital was vandalized and destroyed by the mob. We want to question the government. Where is the law and order? Where is the law and order of this country? Today, the NSUI made its stance clear that the investigation should be done under the CBI, and we want to make our stand clear that until and unless justice is served, the NSUI will not give up. The NSUI will continue to protest and till justice is served to the culprit. Till justice is served to the victim and the culprit is punished. That's all.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ NSUI ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯅ ꯖꯦꯅꯔꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯥꯒꯁꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 8ꯗ RG ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯕꯦꯡꯒꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯜꯀꯇꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯇꯝꯂꯤꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯃꯣꯃꯤꯇꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯅꯥꯊ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯃꯤꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯔꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯍꯥꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ. NSUI ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯅ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ BJP ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯖꯕ बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ है पोट अदुगी वाहनथोक अदु करिनो वाहनथोक अदु लेहनबियु थौदोक असिदा मरा लेबा मियोय खुदिमक हक चराक पिबियु हाइना NSUI मनपुर स्टेट की माइकेज की कोई डिमांड तौजरी.